Integrated serving platters with warming drawers built into the kitchen island make family-style buffet service fast, organized, and warm from counter to table. Start by planning island depth and load bearing so the warming drawers sit under a lower shelf with at least 4 inches of clearance for ventilation. Choose full extension heat drawers rated for food service with a temperature range that holds food safely without drying it out. Set them between 120 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit for most cooked dishes and install simple adjustable thermostats so you can fine-tune for sauces, meats, and vegetables. Create an inset platter area on the countertop that is recessed 1/4 to 1/2 inch with raised edges to keep spills contained and make sliding trays easy. Use food-safe, low-porosity surfaces such as honed granite or quartz to resist staining and to maintain even heat transfer. Design for removable stainless steel trays that match the drawer sizes so platters can be loaded on a cooktop or in an oven and transferred straight into the warming unit using rails that lock in place. Choose tray depths that allow 1 inch of airspace above hot lids to avoid steam buildup and soggy bottoms. Add simple timing indicators as part of the drawer control panel or use a small magnetic mechanical timer mounted nearby to remind servers when to rotate or replace trays for peak quality. Finally, plan for service flow with storage for tongs, heat-resistant gloves, and lids near the island so one person can manage refill and rotation without crossing the main traffic path. Common mistakes include underestimating ventilation, which causes overheating and shortens drawer life. Solve this by providing the manufacturer recommended clearance and adding a ventilation grill routed to a cavity or to the exterior. Another issue is mismatched tray sizes that force transfers or awkward lifting. Standardize on 2 tray sizes and build drawer interiors and ledges to accept both, so loading is predictable and safe. People also skip planning for condensation and steam, which leads to soggy food. Prevent that by allowing headspace in trays, using vented lids when holding moist foods, and scheduling quick stir or rotate cycles every 20 to 30 minutes to maintain texture. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like integrated island serving systems and warming drawers, helping us find local professionals who can build to your specifications. We host a discussion community where we exchange ideas, troubleshoot designs, and match work to contractors looking for these kinds of kitchen projects.